Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It has been a long time since I've had an unboxing. This one today is from Hobby Hoppers. Got it nice and quick. This is the new release things from Lawn Fawn, and I have a ton of new ideas for these products that I can't wait to share with you. And I know I haven't been here for a while, but I'm sure you can remember that the spooky season is my favorite crafty season. So I obviously went a little bit overboard. When don't I go a little bit overboard? And I'm going to get straight into this and open it up so we can see what is inside. Okay, so let's have a peek at what is in here. I have this adorable new bookish washi tape. It is just so cute. I am obsessed with this new book collection that they have brought out, and there will be more in here. Trish has snuck in some extra little things for me. Do I have to block that one out? Is that inappropriate? That is adorable. Oh my goodness, these cats are cheeky. Look at them. Okay. I will probably save them for my planner. Okay, let's have a look at what else we have in here. Oh my gosh, I ordered probably more than I thought I did. So Trish has snuck in some papers here for me. That is adorable. I don't know if you can see it, but there is gold foiling on that. That is lovely. Oh, and of course it's double-sided. Oh my gosh, the bows are very cute. We also have some leaves here. Oh my gosh, I love that one though. I think this is going to be perfect for an idea that I have for a Halloween card. Anyway, let's have a look at what else I have. I got the spiderweb backdrop. As soon as I saw this, I knew I wanted it. I do already own a spiderweb stencil from a different brand that I've had for a long time, but for now I can't wait to play with this spiderweb backdrop. It's going to be so much fun. I've seen it cut out with some vellum, so I'm thinking that might be what I do for the first time. I have a couple of ideas, so you'll probably see this one pop up in the next couple of videos while I get all those ideas out of my head. Okay, so sticking with the spooky theme, oh, I just love that I got some new dies this time. I got the Build a Cauldron, and this is just so cute. I can't wait to play with it in different colors. I really do enjoy some pastel Halloween, so some traditional colors and some pastel ones I think will be really nice to see over the next few weeks. More spookies. I got the sweet spiders. I'm obsessed with the Lawn Fawn spiders. I did use them quite a few times last year, the little ones that were in other sets, just as little extras. I'm so glad to see they got their own stamp set this time, and I couldn't go past the Sweet Spiders add-on as well. Oh my gosh, Sour Patch Flies. I haven't had a chance to properly sit down and read all of these yet, but I can't wait to get into them. Gummy bugs, oh my gosh, just adorable. You know I'm a sucker for all the tiny little things, so seeing these little treats, seeing the tiny candy corns and the broom, that all just makes me so happy. Okay, so this one is a bit older, but it was not in my set yet, and it is the treat cart. And again, you know I love all my little things, so I am so excited to be playing with these tiny things. And then, of course, this is the add-on that came out in this latest release. So that is why I ended up getting the original set. Now that I have this one to go with it, I am so excited to play with all of these little pieces that go with the sign. And of course, all the little food is just adorable. And last, I have two of the new book pieces. So I've got Book Collection and Stitched Bookmark. I love to read, I love to write, I love everything to do with books, and I've got lots of bookish friends that I can send cards to, so this really came at the perfect time. I can't wait to play with this as a bookshelf and to maybe make this one a little spooky. So that is everything that I got from the latest Lawn Fawn release from Hobby Hoppers. I hope that you'll subscribe and stick around so that you can see what I turn all of these into over the coming weeks. I do have probably about a video planned for each week leading up to Halloween, so I hope you'll stick with me and yeah, see what I come up with. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.